Kiombe gya FIDA Kenya ekyobo ikokimanyikaine na Federation of Women Lawyers in Kenya ni gobono basemire abagakana bangina chinchira chugo cha wekonya asugo sonsarana na korwa obasemi igoro yokuganyana amangana anyumba abo igo aseba igwo obasemi igoro nake barachi koenderera kumenya abuya na nene gokyania chisegi chegenka aba ukwana chinga kibaingase county ya Kisii nigo abo igo baruro basemi inaki barabe bakuganyana amangana aboigo nyuma batarika bosio bekigambiro na bande kwirera gosibwa asebina ebikebike.
Mwanyagitinge Heritage Council members, and we want to talk to them and train them about the informal justice systems, because we believe women access justice in many ways, and one way in which women access justice is through the informal justice systems. As having our offices where we have the offices, we want to use the people that we have in the grassroots, the people that live with the indigent women that live in the grassroots, the people that the women go to ask questions, to seek help, and we are here today to just sensitize them about the informal justice system, about what the law says, about it being
kubwatana kurigereria injira kiturabwatane na barobu kugaya no mu Gusii amangana amanga asarekire Gusii abana baitiru bagutibongwa na intubuna Mwanyagitinge Heritage Council ase siro yaito ya obugambi ntubwata bagayani lakini bono ntubwati siro tugutamira elira tokonye ikyari bitage bigendrete Gusii nebinge abantu baito ba FIDA no bacha gutosira na gutosemi na kitubwenete ku